Dating is supposed to be fun, but that's not always the case, especially when you're in the midst of a pandemic. Relationship coach Rick Soetebier offers tips on how to adapt. Rick, with the spring here, self-isolation guidelines are kind of starting to ease up throughout the country. What should people be thinking about as they get back to trying to date?
Well, that's a great question. One of the things that I've encouraged people to do over this last 4 or 5 or 6 weeks is to work on themselves and figure out what they want in a relationship. Figure out if if they would be the person they would love to date. And this has been a great time to do those types of things. And now they should be looking at focusing on what they're looking for in a relationship, what are their must-haves and their deal breakers. And so that gives you a kind of a leg up as we go into the de-isolation, I guess.
What's something that we should focus out, I guess, maybe when we start going on those dates, when we start being able to tiptoe back into public life and actually, meet up with people for a change?
Well, one of the things that I tell people is go out especially if you're going on a first date, go out without expectations. Don't place too many expectations on the date. It may not be a great date, but at least you can learn something. Have fun. Make it enjoyable. I mean, too many people just get really stressed out about the first date. Ladies, pick out your outfit, your first date outfit, and have that set up already. So that way you don't have to worry about what you're going to wear. Your makeup, your shoes. So it's all ready to go. Guys, clean up. We've been locked up for a while. Take a shower, brush your teeth, comb your hair, and just do all the right things to make a good first impression.
So when life does get back to normal, how should singles start making, better decisions about their dating life? And maybe not better decisions, but different decisions about their dating life.
Well, what I work with people on is again helping them gain clarity on what exactly they're looking for. And I've had some great conversations over the past month that people have talked to me. Well, Rick, I've made all these mistakes. And what people end up doing is they start dating without knowing what they want in a relationship. So it's so important to get crystal clear so that you're not wasting time searching in the wrong places or dating the wrong people for the wrong reasons.
Don't want to be looking for love in all the wrong places, do we? So good tips from Rick right there. Thank you, sir.